Welcome to our Christmas decor guide. We're sharing ideas to make your home feel warm and inviting this holiday season. Find all the product links in the description. Let's get started. The VINTERFINT Christmas Tree Skirt is designed to add a perfect finishing touch to your tree. Its fabric gracefully drapes around the base, hiding the tree stand, while offering a beautiful backdrop for your presents. The STRÅLA lampshade features a unique holiday-inspired pattern that casts a soft, warm glow, ideal for creating a cozy ambiance in your home. Its festive design blends seamlessly into any room, whether it's your living room, bedroom, or hallway. The lampshade works as both a functional light source and a decorative accent, giving your space a gentle, welcoming vibe during the holiday season. It's perfect for setting the mood for Christmas evenings with family and friends. The STRÅLA LED decorative light offers a modern, sleek way to illuminate your home during the holiday season. Its LED lights provide a bright yet soft glow, perfect for adding a festive touch to any room. Whether you place it on a table, shelf, or by the window, this light adds a charming, contemporary twist to traditional Christmas decor. The STRÅLA LED pendant lamp offers both style and function, providing a radiant, warm light that's perfect for festive gatherings. Its minimalist design ensures it fits effortlessly into any decor, while the LED lighting adds an energy-efficient glow to your dining area or living space. Suspended over your holiday dinner table or in the entryway, this pendant lamp creates a striking visual impact. The STRÅLA LED string lights, with their 80 softly glowing bulbs, bring a magical touch to your holiday decorating. These twinkling lights can be used in a variety of ways, from wrapping around your Christmas tree to framing your windows or draping along your staircase. Their warm glow creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere perfect for the holiday season, making any room feel festive and bright. The VINTERFINT decoration set includes 3 beautifully crafted pieces, each adding a distinct touch of holiday charm. These decorations are versatile. The set combines timeless holiday motifs with a modern aesthetic, making them a great addition to both traditional and contemporary Christmas decor. The VINTERFINT tree ornament is a carefully crafted piece designed to bring a touch of elegance to your tree. Whether you're creating a themed tree or simply adding a few special pieces to your existing collection, this ornament adds a layer of sophistication and warmth. The VINTERFINT tablecloth in a berry pattern and rich red color adds a vibrant touch to your holiday table. Its bold seasonal design creates the perfect backdrop for your Christmas meals, whether it's a casual family brunch or an elegant holiday dinner. The berry motif captures the essence of winter, bringing warmth and holiday spirit to your dining area. The VINTERFINT cushion cover, featuring a charming Christmas tree design in red, is perfect for adding a festive touch to your living room or bedroom. Its playful yet classic holiday theme instantly transforms your space, giving it a cozy and welcoming feel. For a more subtle but equally festive look, the VINTERFINT cushion cover in dark blue with a Christmas tree design brings a sophisticated holiday vibe to your decor. The deep, rich blue contrasts beautifully with the festive tree motif. The STRÅLA LED 5-arm candelabra is a stunning centerpiece for any room during the holidays. Each arm glows with soft LED light, creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. This modern take on the traditional candelabra is perfect for displaying in windows, on your dining table, or atop a mantel. The VINTERFINT bag with string is not just a practical item for gift giving, but also a beautiful addition to your holiday decorations. Its festive design, complete with a charming drawstring closure, makes it ideal for holding small presents, candy, or even as storage for holiday trinkets. The VINTERFINT tree skirt with a larger size of 39¼ inches provides an elegant solution for covering the base of your tree. Its generous size makes it perfect for larger trees. This tree skirt not only conceals the tree stand but also serves as a decorative feature. The VINTERFINT Vase, 8¼ inches, is a beautiful way to display holiday flowers, branches, or festive arrangements. Its clean lines and classic design make it a versatile piece that can be used throughout the year, but it truly shines when filled with seasonal greenery or holiday florals. The VINTERFINT Vase, 5 inches, is the perfect size for smaller holiday arrangements. Whether placed on a side table or incorporated into a larger display, This vase offers a subtle way to bring the beauty of nature indoors during the Christmas season. The VINTERFINT Tealight holder creates a warm, flickering glow that sets the perfect mood for quiet, cozy Christmas evenings. Its festive design reflects the soft light in beautiful patterns, adding a peaceful and serene touch to your holiday decor. The FRÖJDA LED table decoration is an eye-catching piece that brings an enchanting glow to your holiday display. The intricate design, paired with soft LED lights, makes it a standout on tables, mantels, or as part of a festive centerpiece. Its modern look adds a unique touch to traditional Christmas decor, making it a conversation piece at any gathering. Another VINTERFINT Tealight holder offers a slightly different design but the same warm, festive glow. This piece enhances your holiday decor by adding a layer of light and warmth, perfect for setting a tranquil and inviting atmosphere for family gatherings or quiet nights by the tree. The VINTERFINT napkin holder is the perfect way to complete your holiday table setting. Its festive design not only keeps napkins organized, but also adds a decorative touch that ties your table's theme together. This small yet impactful detail helps create a polished, festive look for your Christmas dinners. The VINTERFINT Wreath is an elegant way to welcome guests into your home. Whether placed on your front door or used as an indoor accent, its lush greenery and festive embellishments add a touch of nature and holiday spirit to your decor. The VINTERFINT candle holder for 4 candles is ideal for creating a stunning Advent display or a glowing centerpiece. Its sleek, festive design makes it perfect for holding holiday candles, setting a warm and inviting tone at your table or mantel. The VINTERFINT artificial garland adds a lush, festive feel to your home without the need for maintenance. Perfect for draping over mantels, staircases, or door frames, this garland brings the beauty of evergreen indoors while maintaining its shape and color throughout the season. The VINTERFINT artificial wreath offers the same beauty and charm as a natural wreath, but without the hassle. Hang it on your door or use it indoors to bring a fresh, festive look to your space. Its timeless design makes it a versatile piece that fits in any holiday decor. The VINTERFINT scented candle in glass with the 5 spices of winter fragrance is a delightful way to enhance your holiday ambiance. With a 45-hour burn time, it creates a long-lasting warm glow and seasonal fragrance. The VINTERFINT scented candle in a metal cup adds both a warm glow and a delightful holiday fragrance to your home, creating a cozy atmosphere perfect for relaxing Christmas evenings. The sleek metal cup also adds a modern touch, making it as stylish as it is functional. And there you have it, some of IKEA's finest Christmas decorations to help make your holiday season even more magical. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more holiday inspiration. Wishing you and your loved ones a warm and wonderful Christmas.